As the West Indies cricketers prepare to continue the demolition of their Sri Lankan counterparts, it is the strangest thing. The way the West Indies dominated the T20 and ODI series, although it's not the strongest Sri Lankan team, but again, as we see the West Indies win 2 or 3 games, we start to expect them to win every game. It's a long time we don't watch the West Indies and expect them to win. For the longest while, we used to watch them and hope them win, but know them going lose. Now with this little run of success, we are watching West Indies now, and we start feel confident that we're going to win every game. I tell you, one thing with us West Indian fans is that we hype up a success. Really and truly though, we're supposed to beat the Sri Lanka team in this test series. Oh yes, it's 7 playing against 8, with 8 playing at home, plus 8 is coming off an impressive test series win in Bangladesh. The main challenge will be our batsmen's ability to negotiate the Sri Lankan spinners. And that aside, I see the West Indies winning this test series comfortably. Yes, to go with the wins in the T20 and ODI series. Assume this. Yes. But of course, let us not forget that this is the West Indies. This is the West Indies. Don't talk too loud on the West Indies. West Indies.